This 2022 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 356QB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, stovetop burner, TV, oven, microwave, slide-out, refrigerator, air conditioning, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 full baths, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 356QB is 11,249 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.